Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to enable screen recording audio on your Android phone. This feature lets you record not only what's happening on your screen but also the audio from your device, your microphone, or both, depending on your phone. It's perfect for creating tutorials, gameplay videos, or app demonstrations. So, let's get started. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Swipe down once more to expand all the available Quick Settings tiles. Look for the Screen Record or Screen Recorder option, then tap it. Before you begin recording, a settings window will appear. Here, you'll see audio options such as device audio, microphone, or device audio and microphone, depending on your Android device. Choose the audio source you want to use. Select device audio if you only want to capture sounds from your phone, microphone if you want to record your voice, or device audio and microphone if your phone supports recording both at the same time. You can also enable show touches on screen if you want viewers to see where you're tapping during the recording. Once you've selected your preferred settings, tap Start Recording. After the countdown ends, your phone will begin recording both your screen and the selected audio source. When you're finished, swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the Stop button in the recording notification. Your screen recording will be saved automatically in your Gallery, Photos, or Screen Recordings folder. Open the video to make sure the audio was recorded correctly. That's all. You've successfully enabled screen recording audio on your Android phone. Happy watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.